Actisan from Grassland Agro, the antibacterial bedding treatment. Actisan is a killer. It kills bacteria and locks in ammonia. The most common use for Actisan is on cubicles. Cubicles. Actisan is a bedding disinfectant that kills bacteria for 72 hours. Actisan kills staph, strep and E. coli and helps control cell count and mastitis when milking off cubicles. It also provides a bacteria-free environment for dry cows, which will be essential for ensuring the success of selective dry cow therapy. Actisan is kind to human hands to apply and kind to the teats of cows. Actisan absorbs 2.4 times its own weight in moisture and absorbs ammonia to prevent nasty odours. Trial results from Palaskenory Agricultural College show that using Actisan in conjunction with a teat sealer only has the same results as Actisan used in conjunction with a teat sealer and a dry cow tube. Actisan is best applied with a sieve or by hand. Every 3 days, apply 100 grams per cubicle in maintenance SCC and 150 grams per cubicle in high SCC herds. Other uses of Actisan. The calving pen. It is vital to ensure the highest hygiene levels in the calving pen. High hygiene standards in this environment will help to prevent disease in calves which have weak immune systems. Providing a clean bedding environment for the calving cow will help to prevent against mastitis and metritis. Actisan will dry and disinfect the bedding of calving pens. It is recommended to use Actisan at a rate of 150 grams for individual calving pens. It is advisable to apply Actisan between each calving, after the last cow is calved, before the next cow is put in. Apply Actisan on the stale bedding material and top up the bed with fresh straw. Individual calf pen. After the calving pen, the calf is often moved to individual calf pens. This should be a bacteria-free environment as the immune system of a calf is slowly developing. These pens should be cleaned out between each calf. Bacteria flourishes in warm, damp conditions. Because Actisan is a dry disinfectant, it will not cause splashes which can spread bacteria. Actisan will provide 3 days killing power against bacteria. Actisan should be applied at a rate of 100 grams per pen and should be applied after a calf has been moved to a Groupe pen before the next calf enters the pen. Groupe calf pens. The calving period is a busy time on every farm. 6-week calving rate is a crucial KPI on farm. Calf health issues during this period can put a large strain on labour during the calving period. Bedding hygiene is key to calf health and thrive. Actisan is a bedding disinfectant which will kill staph, strep and E. coli. A quick, easy test to check the moisture of bedding is the kneel test. Simply kneel down on the bedding material and when you stand back up, examine your knee to see whether moisture is present. Actisan is a drying disinfectant and absorbs 2.4 times its own weight in moisture. Using a dry disinfectant prevents the spread of bacteria and helps to keep heat in the housing environment. Actisan absorbs ammonia and nasty odours to provide the optimum bedding environment for your livestock. Actisan is kind on the skin and navels of calves and lambs. Apply Actisan onto the Groupe calf pen before the first bedding to provide a bacteria-free environment from the beginning. Actisan should be applied every 3 days to provide a sterile environment for calves. Actisan should be applied to the stale bedding material and then an application of fresh straw should be applied. The disinfectant power of Actisan kills bacteria for 3 days and only needs to be spread twice a week. Actisan should be applied at a rate of 50 grams for individual calf pen, 150 grams for a Groupe calf pen and 150 grams for calving pen.